Nothing yet. People there just go and look somewhere, man, because you don't know the adventure setup, you know. Dig up a small portion of worm. So one day. Worm there, man. I'm not afraid to have afraid. See worm down in the city to catch him. Go and put him, cameraman. No afraid, man. See me? Alright. You don't know, so. We just there go and make a few digs. As you know, it's about 12 o'clock right now. It would be evening fishing, so you don't know. I dig some worm, go get some breadfruit, and then we are going to take on the road. You understand what I say? After that now, when we get a chance to see everything, but you already know the process, my people. We're just there. As I say, look some worm. Guys, so right now you don't know breadfruit tree. I get one, 2 or 3 breadfruit for go on the adventure and idea, yeah. You don't know, so come link my virgin. Get a one roast and breadfruit. Not even if I can't catch it, but yeah. Alright, so one day, that's a one. You don't know. That's how we deal with it in our yard, man. Just all fresh food and stuff, you know? Yeah, man. Anyway, when I roll in there and I watch the video, this is how we do it in Jamaica. So right now we just get them breadfruit, guys, and then we head on up on the road. You don't know. As you know, we already dig the bait already, so yeah. See it, a cousin. When I subscribe to them the same way, you know, like. You see it? Yeah, man. Try get at least 3 because it's kind of small still. But as much as they on the tree, you know. Right. Alright. It's off? Yeah. You know, well, that's off, but you see it? Yeah, man. Good, man. Yeah, you can reach it? Yeah, man, you reach it. What do you bother? Mine, you know? Miss. Can't come, man. That's a breadfruit stem. No. Alright, guys, so see them, man. You don't know 3 of them. So right now, next step, you don't know. Get the breadfruit them now. Move on out. People, so right now you don't know, you know. We reach from this spot now. You don't know all over there. I try to get this thing shaking, you understand? Yeah. So we just line up some line, you know. Just line up some line right now and then you don't know. Start fishing and get everything done what we need. You understand? So go and stick and stay here. Yeah, man. You can try one hook, see me. No, you have to try to find one cool spot to put your worm down. Alright, my people, so I don't know. Now I run one 2 hook setup. I run one 2 hook setup same way. We just go and test them and see what go on, because something have to go on, the show must go on. I don't know. Alright? My first man are going to see what go on, you know. Test them and I want to see if them picking. As you know, my people, fishing is all about patience. You can't kill up yourself too much. See, first bite, you know, my people. What can watch out. Doubles. Doubles. 2 of them one time. Look at that. Let's show them small. We don't want to baby them. You hook them the right. You say took care living in a man. Cameraman, how you run so?
Yes, but a pick.
I wonder where big one them there. Watch out, what kind of fish is that? Yo, come closer. Shaja. I know sit like this, you know?
Yeah, man, that pretty one.
Guys, look for the fisher. Anybody in a comment know what kind of fish is, tell me. Because this is a jaguar.
Flicky me back, you know what I mean?
This one flicky. Yo, I wonder what kind of fish they know my you.
Your friend?
Yeah, them fish are different, brother. Come on, man. Listen to a big one, them come, man. Oh.
Get him, get him.
Boy, I bite my line up, but he not sinking.
About, man, about.
Come on, yo. You see that? You don't see that? Yeah. I don't know how to do cameraman, but you know active. This is a man I ever miss when time I catch a fish them. At them size at then so we have to work with it because you don't know frying pan have to make nice. So I not give a certain fee and certain. I keep them 1 year because we carry breadfruit and things to do a catch and cook today. As the guys saw us earlier in the intro and stuff like that when we had we got the worms and now the breadfruit and stuff, so we just go and catch after some fish. Make frying pan make nice. So I gone 4. How much are we there? And see 2 man bridging them just reach as the same way. So you know what thing go. We go roast breadfruit and fry fish. Alright.
Yo, no.
Oh God, yo! Brother, if fish me just catch and the fish get to my youth. Brother, I can't believe my youth.
That one big one, man.
Only line does a good one, so
But Jimbo, run the GoPro. Jimbo, run the GoPro. Run the GoPro.
Yeah.
Run the GoPro.
watch it. You're so sweet, you're fuck.
Come.
Right.
Come.
Yo, come on.
Me tell you, say big one them a come, you no believe in a wildlife, you know. You no believe in a wildlife, me people cool. Me just catch one and in get way. Bigger than this. Because me literally see him. And look, this is one I can't do it now. Easy yourself, man, you go turn dinner. Woohoo! Easy, man. You see breadfruit out there, so? With some chiffon butter you're going, you see? Bapa got him, Mama Maluja, mad cabra with seal. Alright? I fresh bait then love. You see, I don't know joke. Fish there, fish stone dog. Me and him. Hold on, my people, may I come?
Yeah, Vino.
A pizza? Alright guys, right now, I'm actually getting a pick right now, but I'm not sure whether or not the fish will take the bait. But if he does, he will be coming on the land. For sure. Jimbo, beg you do one thing to me, please bro, go fit. Alright guys, so right now we're still here on our adventure. Still trying to like make it happen. The evening kind of catch up on us, so I think we'll be doing the catch and cook. We're doing the catching part today. Tomorrow we'll be doing the cooking part at my house along with my friends and stuff like that. But for now we're still just going to try to secure all the fish that we can, and then tomorrow we'll continue the video with the cooking part of it. Alright, so we're just here just the same, trying to see what we can catch, and hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. Just keep sticking and staying, and if not for the rest of this evening, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next episode, alright, when we're doing the cook up part of it. But just so I go on there, you know, I don't know. Then kind of small still, but guess and tell me how I go on, you know. We have to take it as we get it, because we ain't sure where I go on. So right now we're going to continue the video for day 2 tomorrow and get everything cooking and stuff like that. So just go and stay tuned and stick and stay here. Yeah man, because we're there the same way. Alright my people, so you don't know when I next day and I see it here. All I fish them I will catch yesterday. And you don't know, see fireside. So right now we're going to get the thing on the road, you know guys. Because as you know, yesterday time run out on us. So we have 2 breadfruit, 1 ripe pan with. We have our oil, we have vinegar, and we have the seasons as well. But bear in mind, won't be showing the season because as you know too, the promotion and stuff like that. But nevertheless, we're going to get right into it right now. We'll get the fire started, get the fish them clean up on a bag of thing, and get the show on the road. So just go and stick and stay with us and watch what we're going here. Yeah man, and remember you know, go check out my TikTok as well. Check out Jackie James TikTok. Check out Jamaica Street Sports. One team, so we're there try do a thing, you understand? Big up on yourself. Yeah my people, so see as you know, it's only a little part, but I just want to get Jackie James involved. You might want to always cooking on my video, and please remember guys to check out him TikTok channel because it's in the description down below. He's not a YouTuber, but he's aiming to become a successful TikToker, so just check him out, give him a follow. Him go live every now and then, trying to get him to go live more often. You don't know, so as me say, we are catch the fire now, we are exhibit fruit them, cut in the art and something, and get this thing on the road, yeah? Alright guys, so you don't know, we already X the heart. Once you're cooking breadfruit, you definitely need to make sure say you go right through the heart and take out the stem as well, because you want your breadfruit to be able to roast fast. Right, so see that? Once your breadfruit still like this, then you want to push the knife to go right through it. You see it? And just plus the heart. Give me a second. Alright, my people, say you don't know, you know, so Jackie James himself, that we have some white vinegar that we are using to cleanse the fish, because as you know, it was in the pond, and sometimes these water can be a little bit polluted.
Give me time to talk to boy them go river and carry all I walk come give me, you see it? I have to scale up everything.
Jaja, I'm a bad chef still, you know, feel free to remember to check his channel out, and also his TikTok at Jackie James.
Yeah.
Yeah man, and see what go on here. Breadfruit them the pan fire, so I don't joke about it, you know. Yeah man, before you know it man, the plane land, my people man. You see me, just go and stay tuned. Stick and stay with the family, we're there. Yeah man, Jamaica Street Sports.
Yeah man, you don't know street sports here, you can call me anytime, I don't know.
Alright.
If you do video them.
You see it?
Street sports, live stream.
Move the shirt, make them see what go on now.
See there?
A
Live
serious
stream.
thing man, Jamaica Street Sports at it.
So wildlife, what do you think?
Yeah, you know, so we're there clean up some fish and some style now when I time, because you don't know the show must go on, you know. So these are actually all the fish we caught yesterday. So we're just removing their intestine, the guts and stuff like that. The gills and everything, because you don't know. Yeah man, and then we get the frying pan and make one whole heap of nice today. You ever see frying pan make nice yet? Hold on. Wait till this thing a boil on, you see? The season pan them and some this and some that. Yeah man, and breadfruit them still there, you know. I go on easy. More can look about it today. Alright my people, so on the seat. Good old vegetable aisle seat there. Watch I eat that thing, sir?
Yes sir.
Yeah man. I have one peg of garlic and I not even know what I do with it, you know, my people. But see it there? I did it for free. Yeah man, so we just make this go and warm up here now. Breadfruit them roast already. I just the swimmers them left to deal with the fish them. See them there?
Crispy to bone.
Yeah man, everything nice up. You don't know.
Finger licking good.
Watch out. When I throw water in the aisle, it's a you that serious. One scotch bonnet. One scotch bonnet, you don't know guys, just always bring the flavor out in whatever you're doing with a peck of garlic or your scotch bonnet. You don't know same way and see something them that them are go fry till then crispy. You don't know we are going to have a feast in idea, yeah? Because you don't know we are get together as youths and just make this thing happen. Two right roast breadfruit with it, so aye. You see me people? I'm going to fry the green breadfruit, so see my prep it there. Yeah man, and as you know over here, so we have the fish are going fry and 2 roast breadfruit already, so this is something else we have going on right now, yeah? Alright, so you don't know my viewers and subscribers, see it there? Go and take out some fish and put them on aluminum foil, so then go and drain off same way. You already know? Yeah man. And them fry crispy, you know? See size of them, you just put them in a mouth one time. All in one. Yeah man.
Bone and everything.
Them bone and juke, them a bone just, you know, melt out like butter. Keep that, you know. As you see, just go and fry up some of my green breadfruit same way. Yeah. You at Adams?
What?
Alright. Alright my people, see it? Roast breadfruit and fish. It's not the national dish, you know, but roast breadfruit and fish go together. May I tell you no? We don't want a bit of this and want a bit of that funny. Jackie James over here, so same way. Yeah man, it's all love guys. You don't know a unity we say now as youths. We're looking at a shop that's every Monday I see him Jamaica Street Sport. It's a youth name non-talk, but we talk sometimes. Alright my lovely viewers and subscribers, I know you guys have been patiently waiting to see the end result. And this is it. You understand what I say? This is it guys, so look at it. One big pan of food and everything. You understand what I say? See it there? everything nice and everything merry, man. So right now we are going get into it and share out some food and some stuff like that, and we are going to start do a little bit of feasting, you understand? Yeah man, just go and big up on yourself same way. Alright, so we are going to Jamaican street sports.
Here.
There, long time in there, they wait in a master. Long time street sports there, wait. You fish them the way down in a place, I said still.
Every man get them 5 people. Every man get them 5 people.
Yo, man, them come in, okay, the business ready, you know.
They can't give me jumbo fish. Take it back out.
Cozy.
Take out jumbo fish.
Alright guys, so you see what I go on? Yeah man, it's just unity we deal with, you know. Every time I hit this viewers and subscribers, you see it there? You know. Alright my people, so I don't know, you know, some man get for them food and gone already. You already know, so I go get my little mucha now. I get my little mucha now and then I just make you see what I go on. Street sports there, I see me. I say, oh, breadfruit I go on street sports.
Well nice man.
Well nice, merry. Alright, you see? Everybody there see me, man. I saw that you put on for my father?
Yes, chopper. Properly, man. You can't consume without salt, man.
Alright, so you know, say tomorrow the trip go bigger, you know, in time we shoot out upon the water, you know?
I'm a bike the back of the chick, man.
Yeah, man, you don't know a thing, man. Alright, guys, so right now, I'm gonna receive mine and then we get into it. Then I'll close the video there, alright? Bro. Alright, my people, so you see what I go on? See it? And a big one, I see me catch yesterday and my brethren them, I see them catch him still, but I know one of them. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. You understand? Wildlife is back in business, full effect. Remember to like, share, subscribe and comment. Turn on the post notification and until next time. Peace out, God bless. One love, yeah? Big up on yourself.